Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Redmagic 9S Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search and click install. Now click open. Then click here on this button to skip introduction. Now click not now and click open permissions. Then click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can go back and go back again, and now click start. And as you can see, here is my ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.